I've always said that the abandonment wound is the mother of all wounds. It's underneath nearly all trauma and, in my opinion, most mental health conditions if you delve deep enough. Now, I've talked about how it feels and how we get wounded and how all self-hate is actually a defense against abandonment wounding in previous videos. But I haven't talked about the neurochemical cocktail that gets triggered. It's not just feeling sad or upset, it's an entirely different animal. When we experience something that reminds us of past abandonment, even if it's something seemingly small, our brain goes into alarm mode. See, our subconscious mind doesn't understand time. It reacts as if that original abandonment is happening right now. So what goes on? Well, first of all, our amygdala, the brain's alarm system, kicks into high gear and gets hijacked. It perceives a threat to our survival. And remember, as children, abandonment was a threat to our survival. This triggers a surge of stress hormones, primarily cortisol and adrenaline. Cortisol is our main stress hormone. It floods our system, preparing us for fight, flight, freeze or fawn. Adrenaline amps up our heart rate, breathing and senses. It's like a cattle prod to the nervous system, making us feel on edge and hypervigilant. At the same time, our dopamine and oxytocin levels, the feel-good chemicals, they plummet. Dopamine is associated with pleasure and reward, while oxytocin is the bonding hormone. Their decrease leaves us feeling empty, anxious and disconnected. This neurochemical cocktail creates a powerful physical and emotional response. We might feel our heart racing, our stomach churning or our palms sweating. Emotionally, we might experience very intense emotions such as fear, panic or despair. It's not just in our heads, it's a full body reaction. This is why abandonment triggers feel so intense. It's not just a memory, it's a neurochemical cascade. Understanding this can help us be a bit more compassionate with ourselves, hopefully, and recognise that our reactions are valid. It's our brain trying to protect us, even if it's overreacting. By recognising these triggers and understanding the neurochemical response, we can start to heal those wounds and respond with more self-compassion and healthier coping mechanisms, knowing that this too shall pass.